Well, I didn't think anybody could do it, but it's been done. Cobb Worklight. Look at the size of this. Inside there is a USB-C short cable. The bar for LED lights has just been raised. And I think this light here, checks every box that we want for a portable work light, camp light, repair light, emergency light. Should a hurricane come up Interstate 45 and knock your power off for a week, this will be good. Here it is. Links are in the description. If you don't want a long video, take my word for it. Just go straight to the link, read the description, and buy this now. You want this light. Okay, first off, so that this video will show in California, it's got a Prop 65 warning, which means do not ingest this light or shove this up your rear end. You will get cancer, and hopefully, if you do either one of them, you won't be able to reproduce. All right, here it is. If you're looking for exact measurements and weights, I don't do that. Look in the description. Read the description on the listing on Amazon. So here it is. We got one big ol' LED in the middle. It's got a soft rubber yellow, I'm gonna call it a bounce proof shock absorber. And then here we go on the back. USB-C for charging. USB output for charging your other flashlights or cell phones. Power on. It always comes on full bright, no matter what your last setting was. So drop it down to low, turn it off, turn it back on, it comes back on to high. The color temperature, if you put it on the warm light, turn it off, turn it back on, that comes back. So there's a memory on the color temperature, but not on the brightness. That is the only thing I can critique this on, is that there's no memory on the brightness. There's the 1/4-20 thread for tripods or other attachments. There's your hooks. So you got one going to the left, one going to the right. That will hold up really good. And then here's your two magnets. It's not super strong. This is not a fishing magnet. This is not going to pull the paint off of your vehicle if you attach it that way. This will support and lift a 5-pound plate weight. This is just cool. Swivels all around, so you can put it anywhere you want. And you know how I like magnets. I don't think most manufacturers are putting lights underneath the hood like they used to back in the 70s and 80s. So this will attach to anything metal under the hood and gives you 360 degrees of rotation. All right, so I'm gonna turn my light off on the camera. So any light that you see is coming from my recessed lights above. Now, check this out. 2700K. This has got a wide spread. So here I am. I'm not even 6 inches above the surface here, and it's already spreading out to what I'm gonna call 2 feet wide. And it just goes wider and wider. 2700K. That's low. That's bright. That's 6500. 4500. That's almost daylight. 3500. And there's my favorite for camping, 2700. That's 100% brightness. 75, 50, 25. I'm not sure how much the GoPro is correcting this. 100, 75, 50, 25, 6,500. That's super bright. And I'm on the side of the road, it's dark. Boom, look at that. 6,500K at 100%. 75, 50, 25, back up full bright. I would say that this is totally adequate to see whatever I need to see. Oh yeah, actually pretty dusty. But yeah, this is good. Need to air up or air down and it's dark. How much easier does that get? Have a flat tire on the side of the road, on the side of the trail. Light's just sitting on the ground, 5 feet away. Look at all my illumination. All right, and so here's the other thing I'm gonna be using this for. And you other YouTubers should too. Use this as your fill light. I've just got this sitting, not even mounted to a tripod. It's just resting on top of my GoPro. 6 feet away from me on 4,500K at full brightness. You gotta have some good fill light for some good quality videos. All right, I told you it's gonna be a long video to just click on the link and go ahead and buy it. But since you've hung out this long, let's do this. Let's do a time lapse. Let's see how long this light will last. I read on another review, someone said that they got 2 hours with this on high. So high's a little bit too high unless you want to go blind or you're trying to light up a baseball field because the light's timed out and you need to finish an inning. This would work. I'm gonna put this on low and I'm gonna put this on the 2700, which is the warmest setting. Those are the two that I use or will be using around the campsite 97.5% of the time. Let's see how long this lasts. All right, so that lasted a pretty long time if I don't say so myself. All right, man, that's it. That's all I got for today. Leave a thumbs up, hit subscribe, like, you know what to do. It's 2023. I'm out here. See ya.